Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with all of your gardening and all of your projects. And without further ado, I have a question. So I'm trying to ground this solar array. Now I daisy chained a copper wire to all the panels using some special clamps that are meant to clamp onto the aluminum. And that's what one of them looks like. And in between the panel and the clamp, there's a stainless steel plate with teeth on it so that it can overcome the resistance of the coating on the outside of the aluminum. But when I went to connect it to the ground, it electrocuted me, and I measured, well, I got the measuring device over here, the voltmeter. I got one end wedged between the array frame and the wood there, and then I'm just going to touch the metal on the gabion because the gabion's touching the ground. Watch this. I'm getting readings. Is that normal? Like, what, am I doing something wrong? There's no bare wires for the PV, like there's no PV wires that are bare. I don't understand how I could be getting electrocuted. Now I measured it from the entire array with them all daisy chained together, and I got 54 volts out of that wire right there to the ground, to the actual ground, not just the rod. So did I do something wrong? I don't understand how that could happen. There is literally no bare wires up here. I mean, I'm getting clean voltage to the breaker box. There's nothing weird going on. But when I tested from this copper wire to the ground, it actually jumped the tester and it electrocuted me like 2 inches with 54 volts. Now, is that because of there's something to do with the panels? I don't understand. I mean, I've read something about resistors that could wear out on the inside of here, but I don't know if that's what's going on. If you guys have any advice or suggestions that I could overcome that, I'd be very grateful, because I can't ground the solar array and then not be able to touch it, because if I have to do maintenance on it and I go to touch it and I get electrocuted, that's not going to be fun. So maybe somebody could point me to a website or something. I tried looking on YouTube. I didn't find any information about that. I couldn't imagine I did something to cause that. It's literally just the frames of the solar panels connected together. Are they not supposed to be touching? Or I don't understand. I don't know enough about solar panels and electricity to explain what's going on. Because, I mean, I just showed you, I literally connected my voltmeter. I stuck it underneath the panel right there. And then I'll show you, so there's no gobbledygook. There's the cable, and touch the gabion cage, and blammo, there's voltage. Just the one panel, there's 8 volts, and when I did it with the whole array, it was 54 volts, and it scared the heck out of me. It didn't hurt me, obviously, but I don't know why it's is that normal? Is there something I'm missing? Is there some kind of resistor that goes in between the ground and the copper wire? So I'm going to wrap this short video up. I just wanted to ask you guys, because I know some of you guys know way more about this stuff than I do. So any advice would be greatly appreciated. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those down below. Give us a thumbs up. And as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long, especially if I get electrocuted by this thing. A little bit of kindness will go a long way. So God bless you all, and peace. And stop electrocuting me.